Ever wondered how to treat yourself at your favorite fast food joint without compromising your mindful living habits? This is the challenge we often face. Mindful living encourages us to be present and make intentional choices, but the allure of fast food can make that difficult. Common misconceptions lead us to believe that indulgence and mindfulness can't coexist. But what if we told you this isn't necessarily the case? Stay tuned as we unravel the mystery of mindful fast food eating. Fast food has a notorious reputation, but let's dissect what it really is. Often, a typical fast food meal consists of 4 basic components: proteins, carbs, fats, and additives. Proteins, usually in the form of meat or beans, are what give you the energy to keep going. Carbohydrates, found in buns, wraps, and fries, are your body's preferred source of fuel. Fats, while necessary for certain body functions, are generally consumed in excess in fast food. They're found in fried items, sauces, and dressings. The last component, additives, includes a wide range of preservatives, flavor enhancers, and colorings, which are often synthetic and hard to digest. Understanding these components is crucial. It helps you make informed decisions about what you're putting into your body. Are you consuming more fats than proteins? Are there too many additives in your meal? These are questions you should be asking yourself. Knowing what you eat is the first step to mindful eating. Now, armed with knowledge, we venture into the fast food jungle to make mindful choices. Imagine you're standing at the counter or scrolling through your food delivery app. The menu is a smorgasbord of tempting options, but you're on a mission. You're not just hungry for food, you're hungry for healthier choices. First, let's talk about the main course, the star of the show, the reason you're here. Instead of going for the deep-fried double patty extra cheese extravaganza, why not opt for something grilled? Grilled options, especially chicken or fish, are usually lower in fat and still packed with flavor. And if you're a vegetarian, look for a veggie burger or a falafel wrap. But be sure to ask if these are fried or grilled. Next up, the sides. How about swapping those fries for a side salad? It's not as boring as it sounds. Many fast food restaurants offer a variety of salads with exciting toppings and dressings. And if you're really craving something crispy, consider apple slices or carrot sticks. They offer the crunch you're after, but with a fraction of the calories. And let's not forget about the bread. Whole grains are your best bet here. They're higher in fiber and keep you feeling full longer. If whole grain options aren't available, go for the regular bun and skip the extra butter or cheese. Now let's talk about portion control. It's easy to get carried away with the super size or extra large options. They might seem like a good deal, but they can also lead to overeating. Stick with the regular or small sizes. If you're still hungry, remember you can always order more, but you can't take back what you've already eaten. Finally, while it's important to make healthier choices, it's also important to remember that it's okay to indulge every once in a while. If you're really craving that chocolate milkshake, go for it. Just make sure it's a treat, not a habit. Remember, making mindful choices doesn't mean depriving yourself. It's all about balance. Mindfulness doesn't stop at choosing your meal. It extends to how you consume it. So what exactly is mindful eating? It's an approach that involves paying full attention to the experience of eating and drinking, both inside and outside the body. This means noticing colors, smells, textures, flavors, temperatures, and even the sounds when you bite into your food. Now you may be thinking, how do I do that? Well, start by slowing down. Fast food doesn't have to mean fast eating. Take your time, savor each bite, and truly taste the food you're eating. Another key aspect is tuning into your body's hunger and fullness cues. Listen to your body. Are you truly hungry, or are you just eating out of habit? Are you full, or are you just eating because there's still food on your plate? Eating mindfully can transform your fast food experience and doesn't require you to give up your favorite treats. So can you enjoy fast food while living mindfully? Absolutely. We've peeled back the layers of fast food and highlighted the importance of knowing what's on your plate. We've also explored how to make mindful choices, even in a fast food setting. And let's not forget the magic of mindful eating itself, taking the time to savor and appreciate every bite. Remember, mindful living isn't about restrictions. It's about making informed and conscious choices. Happy, mindful eating.